How to increase limits on Google Pay. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can increase limits on Google Pay. Now, what do you do first? The first step would be for you to verify your identity, okay? Complete the identity verification on Google Pay by adding your net details and necessary identification document. And then the second thing you must do is to add and verify a bank account or credit card that can help increase your transaction limit. And how do you do this? Once you are logged in into your Google Pay account, move to the bottom right corner, click on the add to wallet, and then you'll be taken to a page where you can see a number of things that can be added, such as payment card, transport pass, loyalty, gifts, photo. So just go ahead and click on payment card and then go ahead and link a bank account or a credit card through this method. Okay, now the second thing that you can do now, or the third thing, is to check your bank transaction limits. That is the bank that you registered with Google Pay. This is because some banks impose daily or monthly limits on digital transactions. So you can check this out in case you're not getting cash. And another way to increase your limits on Google Pay is by contacting support. All right, I've been by using Google Pay frequently. So regular transactions and maintaining a good history with Google Pay can help Google Pay review your account as more trustworthy, potentially rising your limit over time. So that is it. These are the tips needed for you to increase your spending limits on Google Pay. Thank you for watching and have a good day.